Alright YouTubers, here comes another one of my cooking videos. It's a little different and I hope you enjoy.
Red pepper, same thing. I'm gonna core it and all that good stuff. So we'll end up chopping all those up. Next there's a zucchini. Same thing. Put those in the pan I'm gonna cook them in. Okay. Put the red peppers in there. Red peppers in the pan. Green peppers. More green peppers. Okay, now we got an onion.
As you can see, it was a really bright day.
I'm gonna use about 2/3 of the onion. All right, we're gonna use the whole onion. Onion in the pan. Onion in the pan. Lots of onion. I'll use the rest of this onion. And that's the onion. All right, and that's chicken that's going in there with it. All right. So that's that. So we're gonna cook it all in this stuff, right in there. Turn it down a little bit. I turned it down for a minute. Trying to coordinate things. It's getting there. But there's more goodness to come in this. Alright. All that goodness. And water chestnuts are going in. I like me some water chestnuts. And now I'm going to use this Pataki's simmer sauce, Dopasia. I looked it up how to pronounce it. I'm probably doing it wrong. It's got tomato, onion, roasted cumin, and spices in it. This is the one I decided on for this meal. Smell it. It smells good. It's going all in. Okay. I set it upside down on the cap. See if we can get some more to fall out. Now we're going to mix it up. Mix it all up in there. Oh, smell that cumin. I love Indian food. Mix it all up together. Got some big chunks of everything in there. Okay, now I'm going to turn it down. And it's just going to simmer. I'll give that jar a couple minutes to see if I can get another teaspoon out of there. Until then, jasmine rice in a rice cooker. I'll turn this up. I've had it. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
Not everyone likes the same veggies, so you gotta try to separate them out best you can to be nice. I know this isn't typical RV cooking kind of stuff, but I like some Indian flavors every now and then, and this sauce is really good.
Over jasmine rice, onions, green pepper, red pepper, chicken, water chestnuts. I think that's it. I might forget something else. I'm gonna eat it. You're gonna get to see me bite a piece of chicken, and you're gonna have to take my word for the rest. I'm pretty sure that simmer sauce was from Aldi's. So if you like Aldi's, give it a shot. Have a great and wonderful day.
Had some really good food, but not a great sunset, but I still had a great and wonderful day.